Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Another easy video for you. This is how to replace an Anlin window vent stop. If you have a lot of different style of windows that are vinyl, you might have something similar to this. Installation is the exact same. Here's the replacement part. Here's the part that we're going to replace. Okay, so this is coming from a Coronado double slider window, so a Coronado XX. So the vent stop is going to be in the slider sash. Maybe you have a Catalina from Anlin, and if you do, then it's going to be on the main frame. So this is going to be my technique. You know, I use a pair of snips like this. Now these are very sharp. You don't want like some wire cutters or like some aluminum shears. That's not the same thing. Doing here is I'm going to come down and I'm going to grab this on both sides. So I don't want to harm my vinyl frame. So I come down, I grab it both sides, and I just grip it. Okay, so now once I have it like this, all I have to do, you can already see there's room for me to push down. So I think you already know where I'm going with this. Come in, grab it, and push straight up. See how easy that was? I'll hold it like this, re-grab, and follow up. Re-grab, follow up. There, look at how easy. No harm to your frame. The old one is out. These are what hold it or snap it into place and make it so that way it doesn't readily just pop back out again. The number one thing you want to remember is, how does this go back? Okay, so when this window is in, there's another slider here that opens this direction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, it has to go in this direction so that way it stops the window. I'm just going to straight push in. How easy is that? You know, you can get these from Anlin. If you have an Anlin window, they'll mail them to you for free. An older Milgard or a Pella window that might have this in the track, the same rule applies. Here's a Catalina XO slider. So here's what I was talking about, that same little part. And here is, in the frame, the sash vent stop. We're gonna go back here and we're gonna grab this from an angle. And you want to kind of work it a little bit because sometimes it doesn't want to just grab, but I'm going to grab, there we go. So I've already started it. Now, again, I'm just going to step one, grab it, and I'm going to reset myself. Look at that. Last pull, and it just comes right out. See, no damage. You know, and I know that this window is going to slide this direction. So always open it first before you replace it. So that way you know which direction it needs to go. Because imagine if you were to put this thing in like this, what's it doing? Nothing. This is how you want to have it installed. So that way when this window opens, it bops into this and it's not going to go any further. So now that I know we're set, I'll close it. I'll start one side, put it the other like this, and just a quick push. That's it. We're done. Check it to make sure that it opens and closes without any issues. Perfect. That is the technique to do it. But you'd be surprised on how many people just cause havoc all over their frame because they don't have the right technique. Hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, you can go to the comments section, try to get to you as soon as possible. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.